In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to never work a 9-to-5 job again. And trust me, if you watch this video till the very end, you will never need to work a 9-to-5 job and you'll have skills that will actually make you rich. So make sure you watch this video to the very end because I'm going to drop some real value here which could actually change your life. Now, just before we continue the video, just so you know who I am, my name is Alim and I left the UK over 12 months ago. I used to work several 9-to-5 jobs. I used to work in Argos, I used to work at World Duty Free, and I used to work at Sky, right? Now, I used to work in all these jobs. I used to hate my 9-to-5 job. I used to wake up early in the morning and think to myself, I wish life was different. I wish I was making money for myself. I wish I could actually have freedom, right? Because most of the things in a 9-to-5 job is mainly freedom. You are at work 40 hours a week. You see your colleagues more than you see your own family. And you realize that, you know what, life isn't meant to be like this. I'm not meant to work 40 hours a week for someone else, pay my bills, and then just die. Like, I don't want to live my life like that. So I said, you know what, I'm going to take the biggest risk of my life. I'm going to quit my 9-to-5 job, pack my bags, and move to Dubai, right? Now, the reason I chose Dubai was, one, it's one of the best places to live. It's one of the safest places to live. And the entrepreneur culture here is just amazing, right? So I said, you know what, I'm going to move to Dubai and start my online business here. Now, when I first came here, I was looking for jobs, but ultimately I decided to focus on my online business. I have made a full video on my story. You can check that out after watching this video, right? So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go through today how you never have to work a 9-to-5 job again, right? So if you're watching this video, you're obviously probably working a 9-to-5 job, or maybe you've just gone full in on your business and quit your job, right? And you don't wanna ever go back into working a 9-to-5 job, because trust me, I know what it's like. I've been there. It's very difficult, 40 hours a week, getting paid 2, 3, or 4 grand just to pay bills and then be left with nothing, right? So what you want to do, guys, is start an online business. That's number one. Start an online business. A lot of people talk about physical businesses. A lot of people talk about so many other types of businesses, right? But the problem with a physical business is that, one, you're not geographically free. Number two, you have to pay a lot of money to either hire staff or even find the location, pay rent, all of that kind of stuff, right? There's too many overheads with a physical business. So what you want to do is start an online business because it's completely free to start and you can literally make money from day one. Now, just before I continue the video, right? If you guys are looking for one-to-one help where I will help you directly start an online business, which can generate you 10K a month online, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and I can see exactly how I can help you and how we could potentially work together. Now, when it comes to starting an online business, right, there are so many online businesses to choose from. You've got drop shipping, affiliate marketing, YouTube content creation, TikTok shop, right? There are so many different ways to make money online. Now, don't get me wrong, they all can make money online, right? They all can make money because I've done drop shipping, I've done pretty much all of the things I've just outlined. However, if you want to truly never work a 9-to-5 job again, and you want to truly make money online, which can generate you serious money and straight away as well, the best business model that you guys should be doing is starting your own coaching program. Now, you're probably asking, what is a coaching program? How does it work? Essentially, guys, you will be teaching a skill that you already know to someone else, okay? Now, a lot of people also tell me they don't have any skills, and this is bullshit. Everyone has a skill. If you're saying that you don't have a skill, it's that you haven't identified it yet. Trust me, I've worked with so many clients who joined the call with me and said, I don't have a skill, can I still do this business model? And I say to them, yes, you can, because you do have a skill, it's just that you haven't identified it yet. And I've yet to come across a point where I've worked with a client and not been able to identify a skill for them, right? And trust me, everyone has a skill that is worth minimum 10K a month. Literally all have a skill worth 10K a month, right? And if you guys want me to give you an example, well, there's a woman here in Dubai, right? She's teaching people how to knit. Now, we all can agree teaching people how to knit is not a high value skill, not even in the slightest. But she's making just under $20,000 a month teaching people how to knit. Do you know how crazy that is? And you guys are gonna sit there and tell me you don't have a skill worth better than teaching people how to knit? It's bullshit. Every single one of you has a skill. You just don't know about it yet, or if you do know about it, you should definitely start monetizing it. Now, the reason why this business model will mean that you never have to work a 9-to-5 job again is because, let's say you start an online business, right? Let's say you're teaching someone a specific skill. Let's say, for argument's sake, content creation, right? So if you're helping people with content creation, what you're actually doing as well is improving your own skills, because not only are you improving skills of content creation, you're also improving skills of talking to people. You're also improving skills of being in front of a camera. All of these things are skills, right? The more skills you learn, the more chances you can monetize each and every single one of them. And the best thing about a coaching program is the more you do it, the more you learn, the more money you will make. And it will get to a point where you'll get so many clients and you will never have to work a 9-to-5 job again. Because the amazing thing with a coaching program is you're improving so many different skills. A lot of business models like dropshipping, for example, right? You're only improving certain skills, or even affiliate marketing, or even TikTok shop. There's not much skills you can learn. But with a coaching program, you'll be making YouTube videos just like I'm making right now, right? Talking about your particular niche and your particular skill. So that is one other skill that you're learning, which is content creation. Not only that, you'll be outreaching to people, which again is another skill. You'll have sales call with people, which is again another skill. And sales is a massive, massive skill to learn, as well as dealing with clients, because that is another skill. There are so many skills that you learn with a coaching program that you literally can transfer in so many different aspects of your life. And this is why a coaching program, if you start a coaching program today, you will never ever have to work a 9-to-5 job. Yes, it will be hard in the beginning. Yes, it will be difficult trying to get clients, trying to, teach your skill to other people, trying to create YouTube videos as well. It's gonna be difficult if you've never done it. But once you get over that hurdle, it's so easy to make some serious money with a coaching program. And the reason why I say it's the best beginner-friendly business model is because you could start making money straight away. Now guys, just before I continue, right, if you do need any help starting your own online business where I can scale you to 10K a month by working with me on a 3-month program on a one-to-one basis, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and I'll help you directly build your own coaching program. And not only that, I'll work with you to identify a skill that you're good at so we can start monetizing it and try and make you money straight away. Now guys, if you're working your 9-to-5 job right now and you know how difficult it is, you know you've got to wake up every morning early, you know you've got to work 40 hours a week, you know you're not getting paid enough, why are you sticking with a 9-to-5 job when you can literally do a business model like this that I just mentioned that can change your life instantly? And trust me, I'm literally proof that if you actually chase your dreams, it will become reality. Because when I moved to Dubai, it was a big risk, right? I literally put everything aside to start this business. And now I make over 6 figures a year in the greatest city in the world. And now I'm able to help other people do exactly the same. And I can't tell you guys how many clients' lives I've changed just by helping them start this business model. So if you are working a 9-to-5 job, you are struggling, and you never ever want to work a 9-to-5 job again, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call, and I'll see exactly how I can help you and scale you to 10K a month within 3 months of working with me. And if you guys want to know my full story on how I moved to Dubai and quit my 9-to-5 job and took the biggest risk of my life, click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.